Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus and I am here at 750 Quaker Lane, Unit 311, located in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo located in the Westgate Condominium complex. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in this centralized room that you have, which will most likely be your living area / dining area. So we'll start out on this side over here with the glass sliding doors. That actually leads to your small private balcony that you have in the rear. But this space right here is perfect for a living area, lots of outlets throughout, plenty of space for different furniture setups. You also have a newer laminate wood flooring that continues throughout this entire room and into the hallway that leads to the 2 beds and 2 baths. And you'll notice that you have a baseboard heat throughout the entire unit. Heat and hot water are actually included, so that's fantastic, always a great benefit. And in this room, along with one of the bedrooms, you actually have plug-in AC units already set up and ready to go too. Again, this space is perfect for a living area, plenty of room for furniture customization. Awesome. Flipping around, we'll check out the dining area side. Because the kitchen is a little small, you probably won't be able to fit a dining set in there, but regardless, this space is perfect for any size dining set. It does house the entryway to this unit. And in this area, you also have a extra closet space for some additional storage to the unit. Awesome. But yeah, again, perfect space right here for any size dining set. Great. Let's move on to the kitchen area. So the kitchen area is just right around the corner. Houses a tile flooring throughout. This kitchen area houses lots of cabinets up above, below, all around the appliances. So plenty of kitchen storage. You also got some wide open countertops with plenty of outlets for plugins and a beautiful tile custom backsplash along the walls. The appliances in this kitchen include the large size refrigerator right here in the corner. You also have the 4-burner stove and oven with the microwave right up above, the single bin stainless steel sink, and the dishwasher right in the corner. Awesome, so that is the kitchen area. Let's head on down the hallway now and check out your bedrooms and bathrooms. First we'll be starting with the first bedroom to the right side. So both bedrooms house a carpet flooring. Both bedrooms have plenty of space for a standard or full bed set. You could potentially do queen bed sets in both these bedrooms. This one in particular, I'd probably just recommend staying with a standard to full size. But wide open window, lets in lots of sunshine. It has some good views. Again, baseboard heat. And both bedrooms do have their own closet spaces for even more storage to this unit. Fantastic. So that is the first bedroom. Let's go ahead now and check out the second bedroom. Again, same exact features that you saw in the first bedroom. Carpet flooring, wide open window. The second bedroom actually houses one of the 2 bathrooms and also houses one of the 2 plug-in AC units, as I said previously. But again, plenty of space for a standard full or queen size bed set. Cool. And one last little look over here, you actually have 2 separate closet spaces too. So this bedroom has lots of storage. Awesome. So let's check out the bathroom now in this bedroom. Houses a tile flooring throughout. Got lots of cabinets underneath this gorgeous sink area right here. And up above, a wide open mirror vanity. And this bathroom actually houses a stand-up shower right in the corner. So again, this is the bathroom in the second bedroom. Last but not least, we'll be checking out the second bathroom. This bathroom's actually housed in the hallway, so will most likely be the most used. But again, same tile flooring you saw in the first. Wide open sink area. Plenty of storage underneath the sink and above in the mirror vanity. And this bathroom houses a full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. Perfect, so once again, this is 750 Quaker Lane, Unit 311 in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody as always to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.